The weekly code quiz. Last week we introduced the concept of a WebVTT file when discussing accessibility for media. Adding captions is a process by which we convert our audio content into text to display it on screen for when sound is muted or for those who are deaf or hard of hearing. The most popular format is the WebVTT file. WebVTT stands for Web Video Text Track. It is compatible with almost all online video players, social media, and video editing software with sidecar captioning. How do we create a WebVTT or .vtt file? To create a .vtt file, you need a text editor, and you have to type out the captions using a particular format. The document must start with WebVTT at the top, and there must be a blank line between each text block. What are these text blocks called? These text blocks are called cues, and they consist of an optional cue identifier, a timestamp written out in a particular format down to the milliseconds, rounded to 3 digits, and the caption text. What are optional settings you can add? Each cue in the VTT file can also include optional settings such as direction to change the styling or placement. These are added to the right of the cue timecode. For example, you can specify alignment of the text, the width of the text area, and add styling such as bold or underline. Once your file is ready, simply export it as a .vtt format. A WebVTT file can now be added as a captions file along with your project on YouTube, Vimeo, social media, or as a sidecar file with editing software such as Premiere Pro. Presented by Designers Learn Code.